We just gotta get this damn floor up, man.
Yeah, if we could buy it up to 10K, that'd be fucking stellar.
Hold up real quick. Let me do the pump thing. Make sure we're
streaming over there. I want to hard shill it, but I can't. I'll have some people mad at me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's just hold this. It's like we're close to dying. We can hold this level, and we can move up.
It's gonna be a lot easier with the live stream. People just gotta kind of know what it is.
Hey, someone from Captain Cook the top trader, because he has all of our plays in there. Figure out who the fuck that was.
Captain what?
Oh, my group, Captain Cooks. But yeah,
so someone in your group?
If I have them saved,
I got you. I'll send it over to you. We're gonna find out who this is today.
I probably got them saved, bro. I could probably figure it out. Just DM me the wallet. I'll look.
I got you.
Guys, history right now. So if you guys want to blame me, I got receipts, motherfuckers. They're trying to support. Some dangerous sometimes, but
did my buy go through? I'm trying to start streaming. Oh, I have been streaming. What am I talking about?
Okay, no, let's just bundle again. Let's just bundle buy so again. I bought only 0.5. Okay, so my friend's got 0.5 and 2. There we go.
Okay. I think, okay, so I'm streaming on Pump Fun. I'm going to go ahead and hit record and kind of get locked in over here for a bit. Maybe do like a little 5, 10, 20-minute thing. Try to get some people while we're chilling. And then I'll pop back up in here. Does that sound good? I bet. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. Let's see. I think we are live over here. Bet. I need to put the CA on the website is what I need to do. We are pumped up on. We are live. Put the restart it for people. I have literally been doing updates until the last second from the beginning instead of just jumping straight in because I'm all frazzled. I'm all frazzled from trying to launch. I've been cooking this for like a couple weeks now, and there's a lot more to do. There is for sure a lot more to do, but let me go ahead and just start off by saying like welcome to every single person that's like listening, joining, trying to figure out like what the fuck is this? I like this. This could be something like, am I being psyoped? Is this a LARP? What the fuck is happening? No, you're not being psyoped. This isn't a LARP. This is a game. This is a legitimate game with documentation, a website, which I need to update with the CA, which I will do. But let me go ahead and start over here. There are several classes that you can choose from to go ahead and start playing your game, picking your character. Classic, kind of D&D, Final Fantasy, RPG type classes. Fighter, a mage, a monk, a knight, spell sword, even a gunslinger, bandits, and a trickster class. There's all kinds of different things that you guys can choose from. But the idea in its current version and form is to be a simple little game. Something that's very lightweight. You can play it on your phone. You don't have to download it. You can play it on your iPad. You can play it on your Surface. You can play it on your phone. It's meant to be super lightweight. Like, look at this. See, look. We've got people commenting. What's good? What's up? In its current form, it can per map, and that's to be expected given the current, again, version and scale that we're at. But as it'll clearly will grow. Hey, look at that. We'll scale and grow over time. Oh man, this is awesome. This is awesome. I do and don't want to tell you what the game engine is, but it's extraordinarily customizable. Extraordinarily customizable. Lots of different features can be added and have been added. We have over, I think, 80 different features already. Well, not here. Let me clarify on that. Not features, but like pieces of code that go into it. I feel like I'm rambling. Where are we at over here on Pump Fun? Okay. Looks good, but you gotta log dev supply in order for people to think it's legit. Should we log dev supply? Is that bullish or am I retarded? That's bullish. No, I'm good. I'm reading to the chat now. I feel like I should go ahead and fire up a Twitter space as well. That way we can kind of simulcast and get people, both up in here. That way they actually know what we're doing. I might do that. But somebody says, no, you're good. Other people saying it's bullish to lock up supply. I mean, I'd be down. This is supposed to be like a long-term type play. Like I said, I've been coding it for basically the end of December, going into like where we are now, up to maybe a couple hours ago. There is documentation. Yes, I did vibe code this myself. I've been sharing it with other devs and other people that I cook and work with, but yes, this has mostly been vibe coded with Claude, Google Gemini, and like a little bit of ChatGPT. Bounce Soul says too long don't read. The TDLR is that there's a lot of fake projects launching in dev while it ends up selling. If you lock supply, you simply can't sell, and we know it's a serious project. I'm down for that. I really am. I don't have much supply though. Yeah, I'm down. Let me see. Streamflow.finance. Yeah, let me see. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Yeah. I'm down. Give me one quick second. Into where I can see how many people streamflow.finance. I've got it back into where I can see how many people are logged in and the total amount of gold in like the world economy, the classes that they have, as well as the equipment. You know, like an admin dashboard. I think it's pretty cool. I don't know. I'm a nerd like that. The analytics are important, and I understand that the retention might be a little low because it's just Solana, and we are in the trenches, and this might not necessarily seem on meta, right? But there's scalability. There is scalability and customizability. Obviously, what I think would be really cool, again, I don't know if I'm streaming right now or if I'm talking to myself. I'm working on the stream flow. Working on the stream flow, but one of the things I think would be cool is to turn some of the memes into monsters, right? Have like a little tournament spot area. Yeah. Okay. So wallet. I'm gonna lock like, I don't know, like what, how much should I lock? Like 1%, half a percent? What do we say, chat? What do we say, chat? %, half a percent. What are we thinking? I don't want to lock full supply. Like, yo, bro, come on now. Ooh, I don't know. That guy's pretty mean. I got so distracted reading chat. I just forgot that I was like doing a whole little half tutorial explanation of the game and the mechanics and the stuff that we're doing. But yeah, it's a simple RPG. Simple RPG. Boom. Simple RPG, based off of, you know, all the classic games, man. Maple Story, Ragnarok, World of Warcraft, RuneScape, Minecraft, all those different type of things. And it's in its infancy, right? Just as like a little tutorial thing. Hey, we just beat this monster. One of the features that we added, again, one of the over 80 features that we've added so far, is this. It's like a victory battle rating. There's a formula where it calculates based off of the amount of hit points that the monster has and the turns that you take, the performance that you have. And you get like 1 to about 10% of the bonus experience points, again, based off of like how you kill the monster, how you do things. So basically, if you kill it quicker, you get a higher rating and you get more experience points. If you take fucking forever, you're going to get a shitty rating and you're not going to get like your experience point bonus, which won't level you up faster. So it kind of rewards that tactical component or that strategic component that you see in games, or at least in RPGs. Now, the character just leveled up. What you're seeing right here is the stat allocation screen. I've got to fix the layering. For some reason, it has this modal pop up. But let me go ahead and show you what that does, what the stat allocation is. You'll go to your status in the menu, click menu, and you'll see it up over here in the top right corner, right, where it says points available. This is where I think, the RPG fun part comes in, because you're able to like customize and work with your character, and that'll be very important going forward. Okay, there will be additional classes other than the ones that I've shown earlier. And again, that's because of the customization that we want, the immersion that we want, the familiarity with people's character and play styles. Like, I'll be 1,000% honest with you. I'm a nerd. So I go with the Spell Thief kind of like build, which we're streaming again real quick. Yes, we are planning on paying decks. Yes, we are planning on paying decks. And we will still tweet out when we lock supply. I just got distracted and wanted to play some games. But yes, we will. And we are still streaming, which is bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Anyway, back to the customization features. You're literally able to level up your character the way that you would like. Clearly, the class that you picked at the beginning of the game affects like your growth and your stat points and the things that you have, like your natural build. But with the stat allocation that you get after every successful level up, you're able to take it a little bit more detailed, make it a little bit more detailed. The other day, I was playing Spell Sword, right? You know, it's like a Magic Knight, something like that. But I put up specifically the defense and magic attack because I figured like he already was going to have inherent, strength and inherent magic. So I made him like more defense based. And that's kind of random if you think about it, because those aren't the stats that you would attribute to that type of character. But anyway, let me go ahead and just do this real quick. I'm a fighter right now, so let's go ahead and you get 5. You get 5 each time. So typically, like what I did with this build, if you want the truth, attack faster and do more crits, more critical attacks. That's what I would do. And then just again, additional strength, so that whenever you do land those blows, it kills the fuck out of them. But yeah, so that's the stat allocation. Oh, what up, Luna? Yo, what up, Luna? I love to see it. Love to see it. Love to see it. And I'll be again 1,000% honest with you guys. Having to figure out the multiplayer mode, or at least the multiplayer kind of map synchronization, was the first thing, right? Once I was able to effectively establish a port between like terminals where people were able to say like, hey, I'm playing over here. Hey, I'm playing here. I got so geeked. And so that's like a core feature, right? Being able to have multiplayer, because the game engine didn't have that built in. That was something we had to vibe code. But once I got the multiplayer, man, I was like, all right, fuck, we have like a working product. What I need to do now, honestly, is figure out the kind of like the latency issue, the lag. Like you can see other people on the map, but the fluid movement to where it's frame by frame for them and frame by frame for you. That's not there yet, and I'm trying to rack my brain on figuring that out. But give me 2 seconds, gang. Give me 2 seconds. Where the fuck are we? I just realized I wasn't live. I just realized I'm not unmuted. Yo. See again, I'm getting so excited just being able to see like other people playing as we're streaming. Let's fucking go. We're gonna go live over here on Pump Fun soon, or on Twitter soon too. I just need to get a couple more things set up and get this in front of a couple more people, and then we're gonna be good. And I want to tell everybody, hey, go follow the Twitter page. We have a Telegram as well. I even made a Discord, a YouTube. The Discord is most likely where the action is going to be after all this, but right now, hey, we're over here live on Pump Fun. What? Ah. That's it, Luna. Let's go. Well, Luna, it says I beat you. Nice try. Nice try. I guess there's bug fixes that I have to work on. But you know what? That's why we do the play testing like this. The play testing, and like this is essentially a beta launch. We've not hit an alpha launch phase yet. This is like a beta launch, and even that's pretty cool. I don't want to say like free marketing, but I mean it's the trenches, it's crypto. There's a lot we could do. Like if we have a runner today, I could literally take that image of that runner, put that in here as a meme, and then it'll take me some time to code up like a game mode where we just go beat up, memes and monsters. Maybe that's like what we call it, but that's for sure doable. Again, this is such a customizable game engine that the scalability is badass. You kill this skeleton, and then I'll come check chat. I'm glad you guys like the game. I'm glad you like the game. What we'll do is I'll go live on Twitter here soon. And let me just go ahead and schedule it right now. No, kitty. God damn you. Let me go ahead and schedule it right now. Forgers Dev Talk. Forgers Launch and Dev Talk. And grab the CA. And let me schedule it for like, I'm saying 20 minutes.